Hello, in front of me I've got BOSE QuietComfort Earbuds II. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. Firstly, let's take a look at the touch panel on your earbuds, and as you can see, the touch panel is located where the BOSE word is typed. Press once to play and pause. To increase or decrease volume, do this gesture. Simply swipe up or down. To go to next track, press twice on each earbud. To go to the last track, press 3 times. To answer the phone call, press once. To end or decline the phone call, press twice. To answer new phone call while in call, press once. To decline new phone call while in call, press twice. And that's basically it about gestures. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.